So your wife homeschools your kids?
For now, it was important that we give them a good foundation when they're young.
Seems good.
You hear the teeth?
I do.
Yo, this shit hurts so
A
bad.
sweet 9-year-old. And this
Fuck.
is my stubborn 15.
I don't know if I had COVID and I'm just like undetected, but the body been aching. Hey.
So I had this thought.
Hey. How about a little
So that great factory in the park,
bit lighter?
I know the guys are running. You'd like I can talk to them about getting
Fuck.
a job.
You like a full-time job?
Why not? I'd recommend you.
I would be very grateful.
Shit.